Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetradingsystems.com. Making this video to show few setups, upcoming setups for tonight, Wednesday night. So, in the Wednesday morning actually, we will start right in a few minutes. It's 11:54 on December 12th, which was Tuesday. So let's get started here. So I'm gonna show few things. EUR-AUD, pound-AUD right now. Setups are not like the 20-minute setups, but like I showed yesterday in my video about 40-minute to 7-minute entry, 40-minute setup, 7-minute entry, right? 40-minute reversal candle, 7-minute entry. So for example, this is EUR-AUD, right? So it was a nice drop here. It went up. Then we have some kind of, Gartley pattern. And then it went like this, right? It's like a W, right? Harmonic pattern kind of thing. If you pull the fib from here to here, let me show you that. Then you find right now is this one is 61% came down to 23, and then 78% makes a Gertley pattern, but it went up to 88%. So it's like a Berkeley pattern, right? Now the question is that what will happen now? Now, from here, it was after, like I explained in my yesterday's video, about 40-minute reversal candle right there. And this first blue candle, right? And then I look for the 7-minute entry, right? So let's take a look if we had the 7-minute entry yesterday. This one, this reversal candle was finished at, what is the time in the bottom? It's 12:12, 10:30, right? So let's go take a look at the 7-minute EUR-AUD chart. 10:30, 12:12, 10:30. So this is a 7-minute, and then this is EUR-AUD 7-minute, and it's 12:12, 10:30 is right there, right? Right after that, you can see the entries right there, right there, right there. Right, these three, one of these entry, and then you ride all the way. But see, the move is not that big, right? From here to here, let's say, it's like 70, 75 pip, but it's a decent move, right? Daily range, yeah, okay. This EUR-AUD, this is what I'm talking about. You can easily trade for 30, 40, 50 pip after you have a reversal candle on completed on the 40-minute, especially when it is alongside with the trend, right? If the trend is up, you look for the bullish reversal candle after setup. It has to be some kind of setup on a 40-minute setup. That's what I want to show right now, right? So on a 40-minute, now we are like all the way up here. If we don't go higher than this and then make a reversal candle, which this indicates all the way up, this one is also, yeah, so, and we have a level at 64.48, right? If we make a reversal candle here, then look for short 7-minute entry. Simple as that. And how is it possible, and how it does it look like? Let's take a look at this one, for example. Take a look at this one, right? So it's a small move. We'll take a look at this one, right? So this one was, it happened on 12/7, 8:30. So 12/7, 8:30, how we get a short entry after that. 7, 12. What was that? Forgot. 8:30, 12/7, 8:30, right? So 7 and 8:30. So 7 and, whoops, I don't have enough candle for that. Let me just make a little bit more candles here. I just want to, make sure that you understand exactly what's happening so that you can take advantage of it. Very easy if you understand it. And lots of opportunity, especially like around 40, 50 charts, small charts. You can call it, scalping. I don't call it scalping. Scalping is like for 5, 10 pips, less than 10 pips, but a decent amount of trades, 40 pip, 50 pip, 60 pip. So December 7, 8:30, we're looking for December 7. And after that, we need a short setup, right? So December 7, 8:30 right there, right? So what about this, right? It's a short setup here, beautiful short setup. And after that, yeah, short, 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 short. That's it, simple as that, right? So this one right now is a nice setup here. It went up, and then stop at this. Now, if we have a reversal candle here, that it would come back easily to this level, or maybe even down, and go down, right? It depends on what kind of funding we're gonna get. Now, similarly, pound Aussie, take a look at the pound Aussie, and right there, this is how pound Aussie is doing. Level is 91.54, a weekly number, weekly high. Trend line hit right after like 70. If you put the fib from here to here, it's like 78% retracement. And if you have the fib from here to here, then you can see that this was a 78% touch, and now we are here at 23% line. So 73, 23, 127 is possible. That's a butterfly pattern, right? So that last leg of butterfly pattern would come down here, 127. The condition what we need is we need a reversal candle here, right? And we might get one. Why? Because it is the pair is pound Aussie, and we have Wednesday 2 a.m. pound news, right? And pound news is showing so far is showing that it is going to be bad, right? So it's 0.2 positive number to negative number. So if we get worse than expected or bad number here, pound is going to get weaker. So if pound gets weaker, then what we're going to have here? Oops. Here, right? So it's going to drop. Pound is on the left-hand side. So we have a very good chance of getting a short entry right after having a reversal candle on this pair. So this is another setup here, and a good one, right? So you have a level, you have a trend line. So be ready for that. After the news, just watch the 7-minute, and it will go down, and that's it. You will have it. Pound, for example, another pound, okay, pound yen and pound USD, for example, pound USD. Pound USD is this. My take was that it's going to go to the upside, right? But if pound gets weaker after the news, pound USD, that it may drop even more, right? That is a possibility. So let's see what happens on here, or maybe not, right? Sometimes what happens is that the pound is getting weaker, but the USD also is weak. Then this pair may just go sideways on the side. It's not gonna go up or down. If both currencies are getting weaker, the pair goes into range, right? So let's see what happened. This one, similarly, pound yen. Now, pound yen is very clearly making a long setup here, but you can see that it was making a long setup here, but it didn't budge at all to the upside. It was just completely ranging on this 40-minute chart for hours and hours, right? So if yen not gonna do anything and the pound news comes out and then it's weak, then it may drop a little, maybe to this high here or maybe these levels. So the pound pairs at 2 o'clock, the best setup right now is pound Aussie, right? Then pound yen. Excuse me, because I'm still very sick, sneezing and running eyes, watery eyes, all of that. Now, pound newsy, for example, now here, this is what's happening. Just a minute. I'm just gonna. Okay. Pound newsy, somehow, I think there was a newsy news or something that it went up all the way here to this high. So now see how pairs are ranging up, down, and then up, down, right? Sideways. So need to be very careful. So pound news, and after that, after pound news, we're gonna have 8:30 in the morning, USD, PPI, right? So after that, these pairs will move, right? USD pairs. Now, if USD get well, let's take a look at the USD, what USD did. CPI this morning, right? And after that, what happened to USD? And we will see some setups if USD is going to give us. Oh, man. Taking this medicine, but nothing working, right? Okay, now, so you see what's happening in USD? It's not moving at all. It's not catching the direction. The news came out when it was here, and then it's just wobbled here, and then that's it. So to me, I see that this is wave 1, 2, 3, and then this side wave is wave 4, and we might drop to 61% here for wave 5, ending here at 61%. So if the USD PPI may make it go to the downside. All right, so that will be at 8:30 in the morning. That news. So after that, just pay attention to the index. If the CF indexes start to drop, and then you can go and USD pairs, you will see pound USD if USD gets weaker, and then pound USD has a chance to go to the upside, which is a nice setup here on 40-minute. The setup that the chart I made earlier, that this thing is like 1, 2, and then we have 3, 4, and it will go up for wave 5. That can only be possible after getting the USD bad news, or USD start to get weaker, then it will go to the upside, right? Or if pound gets strong, right? That's another thing. If pound gets strong, then pound Aussie will not drop, right? So then you will have this trade. And if you have pound Aussie trade, then you're not going to have pound USD trade. So one of them you're probably going to get, right? So it all depends on the fund is. So you see how easy it is now. Euro USD, for example, if USD start to get weaker, then we have a very nice setup, long setup here in Euro USD. You know, after a big move here, it started to go up already, and all it need is USD weakness, and then it will go up easily. Right now it's around 61%, right? 50% touch, so yeah, it can go back to this level here, 0917, right? So after the news, I will bother with that, if not before that. After the news, it's not gonna move, it's gonna wobble. Even if you have a setup, don't take it, because it's just gonna wobble. Low volume this time of the year, December around 12 is 13, right? Wednesday is gonna be December 13. So it's halfway in December, Christmas holiday season, right? So the volume just goes away. And that's why we have very shallow moves, small daily ranges. So need to be very careful. Couple of other setups are pound yen. I said I'm waiting for an up move. Yen probably gonna get weaker, and then this will go to the upside. Euro yen, same thing. It is setting up for long again. It depends on yen weakness. So pay attention to yen index, and the 40-minute is already a reversal and then blue candle. So if you find in the volume time after in London session, if you see a 7-minute long, yes, I'm gonna take that and then see what happens if I can get later on 20-minute as well. Now 40-minute USD yen also started to go up, right? Just made a reversal candle, and then one more blue candle is underway. So let's go take a look at the 7-minute of USD yen. You will get an idea of what's happening. You see that? So now reversal candle is finished and the price is above the wave. All it needs is that clear entry, not this one, but it goes up here and then comes down in the wave and then start to go up. That would be the clear entry, and I will take it if I find one, if I see one. Euro yen also, you know, going to the upside. So yen pairs are going to the upside. Pound, euro pound, not euro pound. Euro Aussie and pound Aussie, thinking that probably they are going to post a reversal candle, bearish reversal candle, and we might be able to take a short trades in those two. USD pairs, we will see when the USD comes. So just pay attention to the 40-minute chart of USD pair, different pairs, Euro USD, for example. I just showed you that, you know, I'm expecting an up move. If for some reason USD start to get strong and this thing start to drop, I'm not interested, because the move is already started way, it's too much extended already, right? So from here, after this much, I don't want to go down with it. I need the retracement. Right. Just a minute. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys that this is what's happening, and these are the few pairs that I'm paying attention. You can look into more pairs. For example, this one, Euro Aussie, and not Euro Aussie. This is Aussie yen, right? CAD yen for this one. Um, I have New Zealand, for example, this one. But most of these, like, they are kind of like ranging already. So the one I just showed you, like Euro yen, USD yen, pound yen, Euro USD, pound USD, and Euro Aussie and pound Aussie. Pound Aussie is the best one, best of all, to the short side. Okay, so 2 o'clock, 2 a.m., pound news may take this thing to the downside. Even if you catch this one trade for 40 or 50 pip, that should be enough for the day, right? That's what I'm looking at it right now. Yesterday I had 3 or 4 small charts, 40, 50 pip here, there, right? That's why I don't have any chart to show. The only thing that I have, like big trades, are like it's gold and US 30 and NASDAQ and S&P 500. So that's how you should be doing that. If the first market somehow the low volume, because of the low volume not moving and you're not getting enough trades, then look here, there, oil, gold, and indices, and you catch a few here, there, right? So and then get your bread and butter, daily bread and butter anyway. But yeah, I'm gonna be posting if I find something interesting on the Telegram. So yesterday I just took some medicine and I got knocked out, so I didn't post anything. Right today, I don't know. To be honest with you, I'm not gonna promise, but I will try my best. Right. So these are the setups. 40 minute to 7. Right. And later on, if you find something 20 minute, but that's not gonna happen. So that's why I'm not even talking about it, because you're not going to have big moves. Small moves, and then 7-minute entry, it goes 40, 50, 60 pip, and then it's going to make the turn, right? Before you you even see a 20-minute entry. So that's how it is. So bye for now, and hopefully talk to you guys later. And tomorrow, 4 o'clock, I will try to do my regular webinar. If I'm feeling sick, and if not feeling comfortable, then I just make a video just like this one, and either maybe 1 or 2 videos that will help, right? And we'll send out. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later. Stop recording.